Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my face or watching my videos, please consider subscribing. Also hit the bell notification that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. Okay, today guys, I have a little something to show you today. This is my first time reviewing Christian Louboutin shoes. So this is my first, is it red bottom shoes they call it. This is my first red bottom shoes. Okay, and I also have a little something from Coach. So if you are interested in this video guys, keep watching. Okay guys, welcome back. I am so excited to show you my shoes, my red bottom shoes from Christian Louboutin. Okay, this is my very first pair from this brand. I've heard so much about it. They've been around for some time now, but I also watched the reviews, and people say the shoes are so uncomfortable, they are so tight on the feet. You know, it's just a shoe for you to wear for a particular time and be ready to take it off. So when you're going out, always carry your flats along with you, because this is not a comfortable shoe that will last you all day. So it's a pretty shoe for, you know, for those parties, to go to party or something. But this one I got in the regular classic pumps, because, and I got it in the 8 mm, because I don't want, you know, I was so scared of trying out these shoes. But you know, based on the reviews I've heard, that it's not the most comfortable shoes. It looks pretty, it looks, you know, beautiful, but it's not, on the comfort side, is not so comfortable. So I'm just gonna you know, open it up and show you guys, you know, what I got from them. You know, I just got a classic pump. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and open it up. These are the shoes. Over here it has the name. I don't know if you can see it. Focus. Yes. So I just got a classic pump, something I will be able to wear, you know, for every day. Let me take the, I had to stuff it with paper in here. Okay, so this is the one I got guys, and I got in the 8 mm, is it millimeter inch? So I don't want something that will be too high that I won't be comfortable in. So this, I got it in the 8 ml, the pointy toe black and the red bottom. Okay, so this is the other pair of it. So I think if you're starting out with this brand, it's also good to start out with a classic pump like this, because you don't want to try out the strappy sandals, boots or things like that. Just go for the classic one and try it and see if you like it. I got it, this is the lowest heel height, so I got it in the lowest heel height, which is the 8 mm. Okay, she's so pretty, she's so beautiful. I really love it. I really love it. I hope by the time I keep using it, I'll be comfortable in it. So I will stick with this 8 mm. It comes in 8, it comes in 10, and it comes in 12. Okay guys, so if you're looking for it, and the sizing is done in European sizing. Normally I'm a 8.5 US size, but I got it in the size 40 because of all the, you know, all the reviews I've seen. So I decided to size up. Normally in the European size I should be a size 39, so I got it in a size 40 and it fit me perfectly. Okay, it fits so well. I know people also put like a protective plastic at the bottom so it doesn't scratch up, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that, guys. I don't know where I could find. Maybe I could find it on Amazon. People put like a protective thing around up to like here, so it can prevent the bottom from scratching too much. So I'm gonna check Amazon if I could find anything, and if anyone knows where I could find, please leave them in the comments. Leave me in the comments section, just to give me ideas of where I could find that protective plastic they put at the bottom of the shoes. Okay, guys, so I'll be rocking this spring and this summer. So these are my very first pair. Hopefully I get a good experience with this, and I can continue to bring you guys more reviews about this shoe of this brand. Okay. I think now they also have handbags. I've never tried their handbag also, but if I get a good experience with these shoes, then I will continue to try out this brand and also make video if I try them out more. Okay, guys, so now let's go to the next one. The next one I have here is Coach. Guys, you all know by now I really love Coach, and this is what I got from Coach. Okay, this is just the receipt, and I got two small bag charms. Okay, these ones I ordered online, and they came in a little box, so I'm just gonna open it now for us to see what it looks like. Yay! Let me take it out completely. So these are little bag charms, guys. So I just got two of it so I could put on my bags. I got one for myself and one for my daughter. Okay, and it has like a little mirror in here. Yeah, it's an actual mirror, so you can look at yourself. Yeah, let me take this off. It has like a little charm over here that says Coach. Okay, and it has these big luster clubs to hook on your bag. I think you can also use this as a keychain. Yes, you can put your keys over here as a keychain, or you can use it as a bag charm. Okay, so let me get the second one. I think the second one is exactly the same. I'm not sure now. Let me open it and see if it's exactly the same as this one I got. Yes, I think it's exactly the same. I think it was buy two and get one half off. I think that was why I got two of it. So I got one for myself and I got one for my daughter. So two of it. In here is like a brown burgundy color. Okay. Yeah. I got two of these, one for myself and one for my daughter. I've not shown her yet. I know by the time I show her, she'll be so excited about it. So I haven't showed her. I just got this too. Okay, guys. So if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell sign, and an option will come up, and when the option comes up, just click all. So with that, you will be able to get any notification from me when I upload a new video. Okay guys, so I will see you all in my next video. Take care now. Bye bye.